In today's digital landscape, reaching your target audience is paramount. With the ever-evolving digital ecosystem, marketers are constantly seeking innovative ways to connect with their audience more effectively and efficiently. While YouTube offers incredible organic reach, allowing creators to build a loyal following through engaging content, Google Ads provides laser-focused targeting capabilities, enabling advertisers to zero in on specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Linking your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account merges these strengths, unlocking a powerful synergy that amplifies your marketing efforts. This integration allows you to leverage the vast reach of YouTube with the precision targeting of Google Ads. Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into crafting engaging YouTube content. You've spent countless hours scripting, filming, and editing to create videos that resonate with your audience. Linking your channel to Google Ads allows you to promote these videos directly to viewers actively searching for related topics. This means your content is not just seen by a random audience, but by those who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. This integration ensures your content reaches the right eyes at the right time, maximizing visibility and driving conversions. By targeting specific keywords and demographics, you can ensure that your videos are seen by those most likely to engage with them. But the benefits don't stop there. The integration of YouTube and Google Ads offers a multitude of advantages that go beyond just increased visibility. This connection unlocks a treasure trove of data insights. By linking your accounts, you gain access to detailed analytics that provide a deeper understanding of your audience's behavior and preferences. By analyzing how viewers interact with your ads, you gain invaluable knowledge about their preferences and behaviors. This data can reveal which types of content resonate most with your audience, allowing you to tailor your future videos accordingly. Armed with this knowledge, you can refine your content strategy, optimize ad campaigns, and ultimately boost your return on investment. This means more effective marketing spend and better results for your business. Linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads is no longer optional. It's a necessity for any serious marketer. In today's competitive digital landscape, this integration is crucial for staying ahead of the curve and ensuring your content reaches its full potential. It's time to bridge the gap between your captivating content and a highly targeted audience, propelling your brand to new heights. By leveraging the combined power of YouTube and Google Ads, you can create a marketing strategy that is both comprehensive and highly effective, ensuring your message is heard loud and clear. Linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads is a straightforward process that can be accomplished directly through YouTube Studio. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, sign in to YouTube Studio. Begin by navigating to studio.youtube.com and signing in to the YouTube account associated with the channel you want to link. Next, access channel settings. Once inside YouTube Studio, locate and click on the settings option in the left-hand menu. This will open a new window with various channel settings. Then, navigate to Google Ads linking. Within the settings menu, select account from the options on the left. Then, click on the Advanced Settings tab. This is where you'll find the option to link your Google Ads account. Now, link your account. Click on the link button next to Google Ads account. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign in to your Google Ads account. Enter your credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. Now you can start leveraging the power of targeted advertising to promote your captivating video content and expand your reach. By linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads, you gain access to a wealth of data and insights that can help you refine your marketing strategies. You can create highly targeted ad campaigns, ensuring that your videos reach the right audience at the right time. Customize your campaigns by selecting specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to maximize engagement. Additionally, you can set your budget and control your spending, making sure you get the best return on investment. Regularly review your analytics and performance metrics to understand what works best and make data-driven decisions. Adjust your campaigns as needed to optimize performance and achieve your marketing goals. With these tools at your disposal, you can effectively grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Many successful YouTube channels have leveraged Google Ads to boost their visibility and engagement. Plan your future content and campaigns strategically to continue building on your success. Remember, success on YouTube requires perseverance, creativity, and smart use of available tools. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your YouTube presence. Thank you for watching. Prefer to manage your connections from within Google Ads? No problem. Google Ads offers a streamlined way to link your YouTube channel, making it easier to manage your advertising efforts all in one place. Linking your YouTube channel is just as simple when initiated from your Google Ads account. This integration allows you to leverage the full power of both platforms. Follow these steps to get started. First, sign into Google Ads. This is your gateway to a more integrated advertising experience. Head over to ads.google.com and sign in to the Google Ads account you wish to use. Make sure you have the correct credentials handy. Next, navigate to linked accounts. This is where you can manage all your connections. Once signed in, locate and click on the Tools icon in the top right corner, represented by a wrench and screwdriver. This icon is your access point to various settings and tools. In the Setup column, select Linked Accounts. Then, select YouTube. This will take you to the section where you can link your YouTube channel. Within the Linked Accounts section, you'll find a list of platforms you can connect to your Google Ads account. This includes not just YouTube but other platforms as well. Click on YouTube to proceed. This will initiate the linking process. Finally, link your channel. Click the blue plus button to add your YouTube channel. This button is your gateway to integrating your YouTube presence with your Google Ads account. You'll be prompted to sign into your YouTube account and authorize the connection. This step ensures that you have the necessary permissions to link the accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. The instructions are straightforward and will guide you through each step. That's it. You've successfully linked your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account directly from the Google Ads interface. This integration opens up new possibilities for managing your video content and ad campaigns. Now you can seamlessly manage your video ad campaigns and track their performance alongside your other advertising efforts. This unified approach helps you optimize your marketing strategy and achieve better results. Section 4. Changing course, unlinking your accounts. Decided to unlink your YouTube channel and Google Ads account? Whether you're switching accounts or simply reevaluating your strategy, the process is straightforward. Here's how to unlink your accounts using both YouTube Studio and Google Ads. Unlinking through YouTube Studio. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio and navigate to the Settings menu. 2. Click on Account and then select the Advanced Settings tab. 3. Under Google Ads account, click Unlink. Confirm your choice when prompted. Unlinking through Google Ads. 1. Sign into your Google Ads account and click on the Tools icon. 2. Under Setup, select Linked Accounts. 3. Click on YouTube and then click the 3 dots next to the linked channel. 4. Select Unlink and confirm your decision. Remember, unlinking your accounts will disable certain features, such as promoting your YouTube videos directly through Google Ads. However, you can always relink your accounts at any time if needed. Section 5. Laser Focus, linking specific videos to Google Ads. Looking to promote a specific YouTube video? You can link individual videos to your Google Ads campaigns for even more targeted advertising. Here's how. Create a new video campaign. In your Google Ads account, create a new campaign and select Video as the campaign type. Choose your video. During campaign creation, you'll be prompted to select the YouTube video you want to promote. You can search for videos by URL or browse your linked YouTube channel. Set your targeting. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and other relevant factors to ensure your video reaches the right viewers. Launch your campaign. Once you're satisfied with your campaign settings, launch your campaign and start promoting your chosen video to your target audience. Linking specific videos allows you to tailor your ad campaigns to individual pieces of content, maximizing relevance and engagement. This granular control ensures your advertising budget is used efficiently, driving the best possible results for your business. Section 6. Untangling the web, unlinking specific videos and canceling requests. Need to unlink a specific video from your Google Ads campaign or cancel a pending link request. Here's how to regain control. Unlinking a specific video. 1. Go to your Google Ads account and navigate to the relevant video campaign. 2. Edit the campaign settings and remove the specific video you want to unlink. 3. Save your changes. Canceling a link request. 1. If you've sent a link request from YouTube Studio and it's still pending, go to the Settings menu. 2. Click on Account and select the Advanced Settings tab. 3. Under Google Ads account, you'll see the pending request. Click Cancel to withdraw the request. By mastering these linking and unlinking processes, you gain complete control over how your YouTube channel and videos integrate with your Google Ads account. This empowers you to leverage the strengths of both platforms effectively, maximizing your reach, engagement, and ultimately, your marketing ROI.